Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today we're at Homegoods in Marshalls to check out some Halloween stuff. See if there's any new items in this one. This is in Burlington, New Jersey. Let's get to it. Look at that. It's an Elvis skeleton. How cool. I like this butterfly one. Let's see a price on them. Look at these cool skull clips. Candy coma. $24.99. Cute. Down here they have little canisters. This little, some candles. Hocus Pocus. This is really cute. Let me see if I can get a price. This one's $30. Gnomes, cool butterflies and sugar skulls, some cocoa bombs. We have some of the mugs and candy dishes. We have the Day of the Dead bath bombs. Those are $6.99 for the 3-pack. And we have the Dazzle Fizzers. Those are $5.99. These little ghost ones, $6.99. Witch's Brew. Let's see if I get a price. Those ones are $7.99. And the little ones. And fall flannels. Over here we have this little scarecrow witch. She's $70. This cute little pumpkin decor. We have your hanging dish towel sets. Nightmare Before Christmas. That one's only $10 and it comes with a spatula and mixer as well. These ones are $10, the ones that are hanging. The Boo, the spiders, and the gnomes. This is cute. Comes with 2 dish towels and it looks like a little scrubber. This is $7.99. Cool little pumpkin, little gnome. We have a bigger gnome down here. It's pretty cool looking. Let's see. I don't see any price tag on him, but he's pretty cool. And they have stuff to make your cupcakes. It's pretty awesome. It's only $6.99. Or they have a smaller one. This one's $6.99 as well. The hanging gnome, he's $30. And then they have some candles down here. They have this light up glitter pumpkin. Look at this little haunted mansion back here. It's pretty cute. They have the white one, gargoyles, slate, mirror one, lantern is $20. Some eyeballs. This is $12.99 for this stemware. And back there, look at that cool beaded picture. They have this spider lamp for $20. Look at this lotus, it's pretty. This lights up too, it's pretty heavy. This one's $25. It's got a cool hat. So you pull the tab, it lights up. Some of the soaps, $5.99. More of the little cupcake decor. Look at this awesome skull. This is really cool. I like that. This is $16.99. I love the detailed lace. It's another little chunky gnome and a tall one. Super cute stuff here today. They even have some of these awesome Halloween cards. These are so cute. Send out to your family and friends. I love getting cards. There's some of the spooky soaps here. Look at this haunted house one. Looks like it's all stuck. This is $10. I love this skull one. This one's $10 as well. Then they have the little pumpkin, gnome. Look at this little dog, ghost, and the snake pumpkin. They also have this little kit to make your own jewelry. It's super cute. $6.99. And they have different fall fragrances. Over here they have some of the dog costumes. These are really cute. Look at that popcorn one. I like the little taco and avocado. Look at the little old lady. That is so funny. Some arts and crafts sets. My kids love to paint. These are $6.99. They have the haunted house one, pumpkin, they have a mummy, and then the ones to put like your gems or candy in. Let's see how much these are. These ones are $5.99. Then they have Lego pumpkins. I've never seen those. Those are $10. And then we have some puzzles. $12.99 for the Mickeys. And then they have Minnie as well. Right here, so they have some of the glassware. Nightmare Before Christmas. This mug is $6.99. This one is Ken, and it comes with a little stir. This cute little sign. Some candles. Hair ties. Look at these nice cozy slippers. I love them. $6.99 with the Disney socks. These nice little socks with the rubber bottoms. Look at these little spiders. And then some dog toys, cat toys. The big candy corn. And then look at the little sweaters for your dogs. They're really cute. We have some of these little spooky ghosts. Those are $20. Hocus Pocus little pillow for $12.99. Look at these cute pillows. We have nice little decor chairs. Those are $199. Look at this awesome witch. I don't want to pick it up because it's so heavy to see how much it is. And they have more of the glass pumpkins here. All this cute fall stuff. These glass pumpkins. I have a few of these. I love them. This one's $24.99. Look at the little truck. They have the Halloween tree. And this one's $30 here. This cool drinkware.
Cashier number 7, please.
More of the little gnomes. These cute little one. This one has a pie. How funny is that? This cute little ghost down here. Pretty sunflowers. I'm gonna turn the corner. Look at these little guys. Let's see if I get a price. Those are $25. I have another soap dispenser. This one's $15. And some more of these gnomes. This one is $12.99. He's pretty cool. The skull. This one's $25. More of the candy corn. Book of Spells. This one's Blackberry Scary. This one's $4.99. The little mug sets. Pumpkins that light up. Little ones. This is the Martha Stewart pumpkins. This is $15. It's a good deal. Look how big that is. I'm trying to like move the tag so you guys can see it. Give thanks. We have this little skeleton gnome. This is $5.99 for that game. They have Nightmare Before Christmas sponges, $5. They have the Frankenstein gnome. Look at his little legs. He's $12.99. That's a good price. And these ones. This tree is different. I haven't seen one like this before. This is cute. This is $30. So it's got the pumpkin stand and then the tree at the top. More of these pretty glass pumpkins. This one's all made of shells. Look how cool that is. This is $30. It's super big and it's all made with shells. That's awesome. Oh, this little owl. This cool haunted house. This is $40. This cool pumpkin. $6.99. We got this witch that's kind of hanging from a half moon. Which is cool looking. Trying to get them. It's just $30. Candy dishes. Day of the Dead. Let's try these guys. These are $12.99. Look at these pretty, I love that. Let me see. These are $30 and they do light up. Got the cool trees. Look at this chandelier, the skulls. It's pretty awesome. I like the ghost up there. Aw, look at this little couple. This is $15. And they have a nutcracker. Oh no, his head is not secure. They have these little light up trees. They're $30. You got the beaded ones. This cool glass jar. I still love this. It's really pretty. We have the skulls with the butterflies. They light up. It's really nice for $15. This one, this little haunted house is really cute. It's $20. And then you have the old spell books. Little string lights. These ones are $14.99. And then they have little fortune teller and spell books up there. That pumpkin's pretty cool looking. Some of the floral decor. You know I love trucks. There's another one. And look at this guy with his surfboard. He's awesome. Let me see. He's only $15 and he's pretty big. We have some of the Halloween wreaths. This one's $60. They're a little pricey. I like this black pumpkin down here too. That's really pretty. With all these floral flowers on it. This is $16.99. It's really pretty. I have all the table sets. Look at this little pumpkin succulent, $7.99. These lights are cool. We have little pumpkin pasta, pumpkin spice pancake makers. These are $3.99 for the small bag, $5.99 for the big bag. Pumpkin latte coffee. They have this little waffle maker for $10. These cocoa bombs are $8.99. Then they have the pumpkin one and the spider one. This cute little salt and pepper shakers caught my eye. $12.99. Bad to the bone. This cocoa bowl. It's $12.99. These little harvest mugs. And they have little containers. pumpkins. This little skeleton girl is $30. These little coasters. I like this purple pumpkin, that's a pretty cool color. This is cute. And this is $12.99. More glassware. These cups are awesome, they're $6.99. They have the Mickey haunted ones and the Snoopy. Magic potions. These are pretty cool. And serving trays. Little dish towel sets, Day of the Dead, $6.99. Thanksgiving. They have little runners and tablecloths. Kids' pajamas for $10. I love peanuts. Let me just pull this one out so y'all can see. How cute is that? Love that. I have this one. They have little girls' outfits. This one comes with socks. One's $8.99 for that set. These ones are $10 too. This one's like back to school. How cute. And then the little dinosaur monsters. Here they have little blankets with a doll for $15. They have the dinosaur one, the ghost one, and a pumpkin. Those are really cute for gifts. If you don't want to give candy, give them a snuggle little buddy and a blanket for $15. They have the little plates and these little baskets for $7.99. So really cute. Look at the little babies' first little costumes. Adorable. The little socks. Check the price on these. So $4.99. The girls' one is $4.99 as well. And that one, if I can get it back on, comes with a bow. This little outfit with a cute doll for newborn shoot. It's $12.99. And these little dresses down here. Let's see. I don't see price on that. They have the little baby blankets. Oh, look at this little Halloween costume or for first photo shoot. Adorable. Little bandana with the bibs. Blankets. Just a little hat and the booties. Teething rings. These little bags. And the nice cozy blankets. $15. Super cute. We have more, some dishcloths. They're $12.99. How cute is this? The little Frankenstein. This one's cute. Pumpkin. Hocus Pocus. That looks like a $35 for that one. Hey Boo. Thank you for watching. Please make sure to hit that like and subscribe button, and you have a great day.